Welcome back to Bez Reviews, where we break down the latest products to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we are diving into the Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe NV360, an upright vacuum that promises versatile cleaning for all kinds of homes. Check the link in the description for the best price. First, we are going to look at the raw cleaning performance and the thoughtful. It provides powerful suction that works effectively on both carpets and hard floors, allowing you to switch modes with its brush roll shutoff. The lift-away functionality is a major plus, letting you detach the pod to easily clean stairs, furniture, and other elevated. For pet owners, this vacuum shines with its powerful suction and specialized upholstery tool, making short work of pet hair. Swivel steering enhances maneuverability, helping you navigate tight corners and move smoothly around furniture for a complete clean. Overall, the cleaning performance and design are strong points, offering powerful suction and excellent versatility. Next, let's explore how this Shark vacuum contributes to a healthier home environment. It features a HEPA filter combined with an anti-allergen complete seal, effectively trapping dust and allergens inside the vacuum. The large 0.9 quart dust cup supports longer cleaning sessions without frequent emptying, and its bagless design makes disposal simple. Maintaining the vacuum is straightforward, especially with its washable HEPA filter, which helps to reduce long-term costs and keep performance. We do not have a clear understanding of key technical specifications such as motor wattage or cord length, which could. This vacuum excels in allergen management and user convenience, making it a good choice for those. The Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe NV360 positions itself as a strong contender for those needing an all-in-one cleaning solution. Its versatile design handles multiple surfaces and above-floor tasks with ease. The HEPA filter and pet hair focus are significant advantages for many households.